Great, didn't it? Now, it's the weekend, isn't it? So let's find out how the weather's looking with Ian. Hi, Ian.
Hi Alex, yes, a fairly quiet weekend to come weather-wise, so certainly no problems with sporting fixtures this weekend, unlike last weekend. Tonight, dry for pretty much all of us, with some frost and some fog, particularly the further east you go. Then through the weekend, it's going to stay largely cloudy, but again, I fancy most places should stay largely dry. So let's take a look at how things shape up through the course of the rest of this evening. And indeed, we're probably going to see temperatures here as they drop away tonight, reaching freezing, particularly the further east you go. A light frost starting to form, but the further to the west you are, I think we'll probably hold up above freezing, so very little frost to speak of by the time we get through to around 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, those sort of times tomorrow morning, and perhaps a little bit of drizzle here or there to greet us through the first part of tomorrow, but many places will be dry. But a rather dull start, it has to be said, a lot of low cloud around. I think the best way to treat tomorrow is that if you expect it to be largely cloudy, you'll probably be about right. If you get any brightness, we'll take that as a bonus. Temperatures though, 6, 7 degrees will be fairly typical, maybe as low as 4 the further up to the north and the east you go, and a little bit of drizzle again, just about possible. Most places will stay dry. As we head overnight into Sunday, the temperatures actually keep fairly well up, so I'm not expecting any problems with frost as we head through towards Sunday morning. We'll probably see no lower than, well, 2, 3, 4, those sort of values by the time we start Sunday morning. Perhaps a bit of drizzle, some light rain overnight into Sunday morning, and again we'll start things on a rather grey note. But here's a snapshot of about 2 o'clock on Sunday afternoon. A hint of some brightness starting to develop here or there into the afternoon, but mild. Look at that, temperatures 8 degrees or so, and by the time we get through to Monday or Tuesday, possibly as high as 10 degrees. High pressure in charge. That's your weather.
That's great news.
Forgotten what 10 degrees feels like. Wonderful.
Thanks very much, Ian.
Well, that's it.